Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tabon, and before we start with the video, just like and subscribe. Just smash it. Like you're a gorilla, just smash it with all your might. Actually, you might not want to do that. That's probably going to wreck your device or computer, phone, whatever you're on. Just click it. I'd appreciate it. I'd be happy. I'd be very happy, actually. Just make a child happy today, please. Just make me happy. Anyway, today is my second episode of the HTML and CSS playlist that I have previously created. Our last episode was just an intro. Well, not an intro, but it's where we set up our learning environment. So today we will be learning about the header and paragraph tag. And there are 6 header tags, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. And I'll just show you them. H1. I already opened my file, so it might take. You just pause the video if you need to do it. H1, H2. Wait, no, I put that all in caps. H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and yeah, that's basically it for the header tags. And I'm just gonna write something in those header tags. Hello. The biggest ones will be header 1, and the smallest ones will be header 6. So it's basically 1 through 6. All the header tags that are near 1, closer to the 1 than 6, will be larger. So it just goes. H1 is largest, then H2, then H3, H4, then H5, then H6. Note that you can only use these header tags. There's none else. Not H0, H8, H21, H55, 764,000 billion. None of those will work. Yeah, I just want to make that clear. So I already wrote a bunch of stuff. Hello. Now we're going to see the size comparison. Okay, as you can see, H6 all the way down the bottom is the smallest, while H1 all the way on the top is the largest in the list. So, we just got that off the list. Now, let's add the paragraph tag. This will be a very complex tag. All you gotta do, you just gotta click P, enter. And I'm just gonna type hello. So complicated. No, I'm just kidding. It wasn't that complicated. So, you just got it. Paragraph tag. Oh, I just want to show you a trick. In the tags, BR, that can just be an indent. That'll be a one-line indent. So, if you want to just indent a bunch of spaces without just having to do a space in the regular thing, well, I don't know. There's something called white space. I think that just prevents you just from indenting on your own without any tags. So if you want to indent, use BR. So let's check what happened in the document. So the paragraph tag right here, there's a huge indent, which is cool. And a paragraph tag is around H5, H3, H4, I guess. More like H4. Yeah, it looks like H4, just. It looks less bolded. So, yeah. So, this is all we were going to do for this video. I just added a indent trick that you can do. I'm going to keep this all, except the BR part. And, yeah, that's all we're going to do for today's video. It was very short today, it's going to be about 5 minutes, 1 more minute for the end. But, yeah, I hope, if you guys watch it right away, this video right away, like this day, February 5th, I hope you have a good weekend, because tomorrow is Saturday for me. It's Friday right now, and it's kind of late. So, I just wanted to squeeze this video in before the weekend, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and before you leave, smash the like button. It's not that hard. Just please. And smash the subscribe button with all your might. Thank you. and I'll see you next time.